Hey there, this is your host DJ Blind Master for Blind Master Productions, aka this is Nautical Clearland here. This is my first time doing this kind of demo. It is actually an original song that my friend JW and I did together. It's called Who Is This Man? And I hope you guys like it. Just to let you know, this is not an official recording. Rather, this is just a demo using the ukulele. There'll be more to this later. Hopefully we get it officially recorded, and I'll post it on YouTube. But and I'll be creating a playlist called Blind Master Music on my channel, and that'll be specifically my own original pieces and other works that might come into mix. So this is I wrote the lyrics and figure out the melody, and JW was involved with it as well, and it was pretty cool. So it took us over 6 months, by the way, to complete this piece, because we started it and then we got nowhere. We waited for about 6 months, and then God led us to the point of breakthrough. It was like last Saturday. So then we broke through and we got two verses done, the bridge and everything. We had to rewrite parts of it, but it was incredible. And now here's the song, Who Is This Man? So hope you enjoy. Who is this man? What has he done? There are so many things we can say. There are so many things we can say. Let me tell you a story about a man. He was thought of as a king. This king was like no other, as he served Israel. Who is this man? What has he done? There are so many things we can say. There are so many things we can say. He did miracles that were extraordinary. Which were these? Healing people from sickness and strife, raising others from the dead, walking in water and calming the storm. Who is this man? What has he done? There are so many things we can say. There are so many things we can say. Who is this man who lives within us and left us a message so we could tell others about him? About him. He endured the cross, and even though we did not deserve it, but he did it anyway. That's why he's Jesus. Yes, he loves the entire world. Who is this man? What has he done? There are so many things we can say. There are so many things we can say. Who is this man? What has he done? There are so many things we can say. There are so many things we can say. Who is this man?